Brian asks, how much time does being a drone pilot take up? Is it a dedicated profession that has sufficient income? Income? I'm good. I'm fine. Dedicated profession? For the most part. I am mainly a drone pilot. I fly, and then camera operators will cam up separately. It's a two-man operation or more, or women, considering one of my cam ops female. Um, and I spend more time helping clients and planning, doing flight plans, researching, looking at locations, looking at Google Earth, going and scouting, doing checklists, prep, making sure that we can fly in a particular place, planning the mission, taking care of the footage afterwards, taking care of the client afterwards, and running the business because I am not only a drone pilot, I am also the co-owner of Yellow House Aerial. So I manage the day-to-day operations and help out our clients, do the promotion, do stuff like this. So I spend more time in the office, I would say, planning and cleaning up after the shoots and prepping the gear, maintaining it, doing all the maintenance and checklists and things than I do actually on the shoot. On average, we're shooting somewhere between 1 and 3 days a week, and that keeps me busy 5 to 6 days a week as much as I want to be.